You are thinking about creating NFT collection hoping that someday you will sell it for good money. The truth is, it's probably not gonna be as easy as you think. And here is why. The current number of NFT offerings is so high. Everyone, including me, is pumping those marketplaces like OpenSea with NFTs every single minute. Because we all hope to get that cash. Let's be honest. You also probably don't have such a brand, a big name, like Drake, Aoki, or Nike. The number of following is a potential variable in the success of selling your NFTs. So what can you do to increase the chances that someone will buy your NFTs? One way to go is create something that is unique and targets specific audience, like Dogecoin investors, nerds around the meme Pepe, or Swifties, aka Taylor Swift fans. My second tip is limiting the number of NFTs in the collection. That's why CryptoPunks or Bored Yacht Club works so well, because the number of theirs is limited and each of the NFT is unique, and that's why people want it. Creating the entire NFT collection and then put it on blockchain is just one part of the story. The second one is selling. Your goal is to tell the whole world about your amazing, cool NFT collection that is worth of all that money by DMing people on Instagram, participating on Discord or Reddit chats, as well as on Twitter. Basically, all NFT projects have their Discord chats, and that's where you can find the people that are interested in buying NFTs. My last tip is to add something extra beyond just an image or a 3D model. It can be an access to a private content or a physical product. Photographers from Mango Studio YouTube channel sold their photos that were animated as NFTs, and with it, you would also get a physical print. How awesome is that? A great example of NFT collection that has all the success traits is VeeFriends, a collection by American entrepreneur Gary Vaynerchuk. VeeFriends are hand-drawn images of mostly animal characters that are named after their traits that Gary Vee believes in, like empathy elephant or karma kiwi. Each of the NFT itself is an art piece, but it also gives you an admission to a VeeCon, the conference that Gary Vee organizes for his community. And that's not all. Some of the NFTs also grant you to go and have a breakfast with Gary, or getting a physical curated gifts from him, as well as going to a gym and live with him for an hour. Insane, right? I think that Gary Vaynerchuk completely changed the way we can see NFTs. It's not just an image. It can be so much more. Just so you know, the current lowest price for a VeeFriend NFT is around 12 ETH. It was sold for around 1 to 3 ETH at the very beginning. I hope you got inspired. Please tell us, the community of creative heroes, on what NFT collections you're gonna work on. Subscribe if you have not. Thang and Michael are out.